What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about Binance, the brand new launchpad that is going to be live tomorrow, 30th of March 2024 at 0 o'clock and 0 minutes UTC time. Okay, guys? So if you are a BNB holder and you would like to participate in this Binance Launchpad, you don't want to miss this video. Okay, so this is going to be the fifth project on Binance Launchpool, and it's called Etna, or in short, ENA. Okay, so with this launch pool, you'll be able to farm either BNB or FDUSD, which is a stable coin. Okay, and farming will start tomorrow, 30th of March 2024, like I said, at 0 o'clock, 0 minutes UTC time. Okay, and then you'll be able to farm for 2 days or 3 days, and then the token will be listed on Binance Exchange on the 2nd of April, 8 o'clock UTC time, and the trading pairs will be ENA BTC, ENA USDT, ENA BNB, ENA FDUSD, and ENA PRIY. Okay, so a little bit more about this launch pool. So the token is going to be Etna. Okay, maximum supply is 15 billion tokens. So the launch pool will have 300 million tokens, which is 2% of the max total token supply, and the initial circulation is going to be 9.5% of the max token supply. Smart contract is going to be on Ethereum. Team is KYC. And over here we can see the hourly hard cap per user. Okay, so obviously if you stake BNB, there will be more tokens available right there, 80%. If you stake FDUSD, you only have 20% allocation. Okay, so farming period will start from the 30th, like I said, tomorrow, and it will end on the 1st. So essentially it's going to be 3 days straight of farming, and then on the 2nd the token will be live, and also you will get to claim, well, the tokens will be automatically sent to your wallets. Okay, and over here we have the days that the farming will start and end, and also the total daily rewards for the BNB pool and the stablecoin pool. And down here down here you will have all the links for the website. So if you come over here to the website page, so this is the Etna website. I really don't really know what's this website all about, but I will let you come and check it out. But one thing is for sure, every time BNB launches a launch pool, it goes crazy. Okay, it goes crazy, at least 10x. That's why I'm telling you to get this thing if you want to, of course. And let me just show you another article. Where is it? So since the BNB made the announcement, where is it? BNB pumped. So BNB Binance made the announcement like 13 hours ago. And then look at this. So 13 hours ago, BNB was trading at 586, and then all of a sudden, boom, 610. Okay, and right now BNB is trading at 618. And there's another article over here saying that BNB potentially is going to hit 625 tomorrow, and on the weekly candles looks bullish, so you'll face resistance at 635, but potentially will hit 700 bucks next month. Okay, so time will tell, right? But BNB is going strong. And where is the Etna X page? Where is Etna X page? Let me go to Etna X page. And they also announced that they're gonna do a launch pool on the Bybit. So it's now live. Also, it's now live. Is it live? Let me click on this. I'm not sure if it's live. Let me just check real quick. Because yeah, it makes sense if it's live now. Okay, launch pool on Bybit as well. Okay, and event periods. Oh no, it's gonna start on the 2nd, and it's gonna finish on the 9th. Okay, so for this, during this period, you'll be able to stake ANA, or USDT to obtain a share of 15 million ANA for free. Okay, so if you have a Bybit account, you can also, so once you finish the staking, the farming on Binance Smart Chain, you can come over here, so send your funds, your ANA tokens, or even USDT, and you can earn a share of these tokens for free, essentially. So you're going to stake to earn a little bit more of these rewards. So 50 million tokens right there. And obviously, Binance and Bybit are restricted in a few countries right here. Where is it? Yeah, they are restricted in a few countries, so make sure that your country allows you to stake. If not, it sucks. Just try to buy the dip once the token dips after lunch, because usually that's what happens, and then ride it up. And yeah, essentially that's that, guys. All the links going to be down in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.